Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced that the project to consolidate the various payroll taxes into a single payroll tax deduction will be implemented early next year. He was speaking at the Jamaica Stock Exchange 20th Regional Investments and Capital Markets Conference.
Well, on our way to have it done. In fact, I've given the tax authorities a deadline. I won't say the deadline publicly yet, but they have a deadline. And I received an update from the Ministry of Finance and the Tax Administration of Jamaica on the project. And we are targeting implementation of this by January 2026.
There was a decline in the unemployment rate in Jamaica, which moved from 3.6% in July to 3.5% in October last year. This marks one of the lowest unemployment rates recorded, even as disparities between genders and age groups remain evident. The total number of unemployed persons was 51,300, with females making up 60% of this figure. Youths aged 15 to 24 accounted for 21,600 or 41% of the unemployed. By gender, the unemployment rate for females was 4.5%, notably higher than the 2.6% recorded for males. The total number of employed persons in October was 1.417 million, with males comprising the majority at 54.2%. However, 22,900 individuals were underemployed, indicating they were working part-time but desired additional hours. All categories of fuel will increase effective come tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will see an additional 75 cents to today's prices. Diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel, and kerosene will increase by $3.06. 25 cents will be added to the cost of propane and butane. Petrol stations will make these adjustments, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.72. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.93. $195.13 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $165.46. The JSE index declined by 1,575 points, while the junior market index declined by 41 points. 39 stocks gained today, including T-Tech, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Share, Cygnus Credit Investment US dollar share, AMG Packaging and Paper, and Radio Jamaica, which owns this station. Declining shares were led by Stanley Motor, Proven Group, Epley 7.25% preference share, Indus Pharma, and Regency Petroleum. 22 stocks traded firm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.